All right, this is a post DIY video for the Henry garage door insulation kit. I got this from Lowe's. I believe it was about $69. And it comes with 8 panels that you cut to size to put in your the garage door cavity panels. One kit, like I said, comes with 8. So you need 2 kits if you have a 2-car garage. And then you just cut them to size. What you need to do this is a tape measure, a straight edge, I use a permanent marker to mark my measured spots, and then one of these guys to cut the 1 1/4 thick insulation foam boards. There's a shiny side and then another side. Also, they can bend on the other side so that they can fit inside here. As you can see, I did this side first and I cut them all in half because it was a lot easier to fit them into these cavities, because as you can see, it's flat here, but you have to fit them inside here, inside there, and then inside there. The second time I did these, I had a couple obstructions that I didn't want to mess with, so I did cut that one and that one, but I didn't have to cut those for whatever reason. So it makes me wonder if I had to cut these, or if I could have just cut them shorter, I suppose, and fit them in. But I have no issues. They stay in place. Guarantee it doesn't affect the performance of what they're supposed to do, whether that be in hot and cold. But yeah, basically I measured from here all the way over to the left side of these bolts, because they won't go past the thickness. It won't go behind the bolt because it sticks out too far. So from the left side of here all the way over here, and I didn't have to cut this way on any of the boards because it was the correct size, like 20 1/4, I believe. So anyway, I would definitely recommend. Also, I did an infrared, and I got about a 7 to 10 degree difference with these panels before I had done these. And I do think I can tell a difference with it being like 20 degrees outside right now. I do think I can tell a difference in kind of how harsh it is, how cold it is in the garage versus now with the insulation panels. So yeah, would recommend. You can leave these up all season when it gets hot, and obviously when it's cold. Hope this helps.